I hate dating these videos. I hate doing that. I know it's gonna be 2022, 2023, 2088, and y'all still gonna be watching this shit, and I'm gonna still be getting that forever money off of it. But I know a lot of y'all wanna do your music full time. If y'all was anything like me, it took you a while to get paid $50,000 a year from a job. Well, I'm gonna give you 3 ways on a plan that you gotta follow to make $50,000 from your music in 2021. My ducks, my swans, welcome to the pond. My name is Dorian from Group82Music.com, and right here I'm gonna give you 3 ways to make $50,000 from your music in 2021. Now, I know a lot of y'all is like, this nigga's full of shit, okay? There's no way you're gonna be able to do that. I used to think that shit. I used to see motherfuckers on here saying this, you can do this, you can do that, wooty wooty woo, but they wouldn't show the proof. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna show you the proof. This is exactly how you can do this shit because I've done it 2 years in a row now. So I'm showing you exactly how this shit works. It's just a matter of you wanna follow directions or not, or if you wanna sit on the sidelines in the comment sections and fucking complain. It's up to you. Number 1, Spotify playlists. Y'all have heard me talk about this ad nauseum. And the reason I talk about it so much, because like I told y'all before, it's changed my life. Spotify playlisting works. Now, in 2021, I think this might be the last year for it. Spotify playlists have slowed down. There's more Spotify playlists than ever before. The labels understand the power of it now. Artists understand the power of it now. Spotify understands the power of it now. Everyone understands what Spotify playlists can do for you. So independent Spotify playlists have been getting marginalized over the past 3 or 4 years. There's still a way for you to get streams, which is a way for you to get money, but I feel like this might be the last year for it. So if you're somebody who's trying to make money off of streaming on Spotify and get your music out here, I would literally go watch my video. And I might not talk about this no more because I might take the fucking video down. So depending on when you watch this, that shit might not be up there anymore. How to get on Spotify playlists for free. Go watch it. Nigga, go watch that shit. Go watch the fucking video after this one. Get on Spotify playlists. 1 million streams on Spotify is $4,000. 1 million streams in a year, that's a lot. A lot of work, a lot of playlist pitching. For some people, that's unrealistic. Okay, cool. 500,000 streams in a year, that's not unrealistic. You get added to 10 to 15 playlists a week for the entire year, which you easily can do if you got any sort of work ethic. You can get 500,000 streams. You get 500,000 streams, that's around $2,000. So now we're at 50,000, we got 48,000 left. Let's keep a running tally how much we got. So now we got $48,000 left. Fuck. So what's number 2? iTunes pre-order campaign. A lot of y'all are dropping albums this year, which is great. But like I told y'all before, if you're gonna drop an album, you need to make sure you have a story to tell. If you don't have a story to tell, ain't nobody gonna buy your motherfucking album. People are not buying albums just to buy them because they can stream albums now. And because they can stream an album, it is much more difficult for you to keep track of who's streaming your album than it is for you to keep track of who actually bought your album. You have to give people an incentive to buy your album. For my true support campaign, whichever side that shit's on right here. For my true support campaign, what I did is I gave people a free Spotify playlist placement when they bought my album. I knew my audience was primarily producers. I knew it was primarily rappers, musicians. So therefore that playlist placement had some value to them. And it's permanent. Y'all stay in the playlist as long as we own. So because of that, people bought my album. We made enough sales. Bing, bang, boom. I charted number 3, number 7 on the iTunes charts. And this is the amount of money that we made so far from the album. $5,402.31 so far. So let's say you sell 500 copies. You sell 500 copies at $10. EBITDA. EBITDA is earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization, if I'm not mistaken. Put up the acronym for EBITDA. Put that up there. You take that, the iTunes and any ancillary streaming revenue that you're gonna make off of that, because iTunes takes their 30%, you're gonna make probably around $5,000 off of 500 copies if you do what you're supposed to do. So now that takes us from $2,000 we made in 2021, add $5,000 to that, to $7,000 we made in 2021. So now we got $43,000 left. What the fuck, nigga? Get to the point. How in the fuck are we going to make $50,000? $43,000 left. Nigga, we done got streams, we got album sales. How the fuck we gonna do this? The last one. This is the big one. I want y'all to really pay attention because a lot of y'all don't want to do this. But if you do this and you do it right, you can make a lot of money. The third way in the plan to make $50,000 from your music in 2021 is by going live. Nigga, that is the most uneventful, most bullshit answer ever. I'm already reading the comments. I already know. A lot of you niggas do not understand, but I am telling you, all this shit I've done, and going live is fucking lucrative. Not just lucrative on the direct income you get or the advertising revenue, but all these social media platforms are starting to pay attention to people who are going live. Side note, if you heard like a little poop noise, it wasn't me pooting. Y'all know when I fart. My elbow rubbed up against it. You try to do it again. You ever been around your niggas or been around your family and something rubbed up against something and sound like you farted, and you said you didn't fart, but they said you did fart. And you say, nah, it's when I rubbed up against this, but you can't do it again. That's what's going on right now. I can't do it again, but I swear to God, it was a chair, it wasn't me. If you go live, you can make money. First way you can go live is on Instagram. Instagram has this feature now called badges. And what they're doing right now, currently in December 30th, 2020, is any dollar that you make on Instagram through badges that people donate to you, Instagram matches it. So if y'all give me $1 on badges, I make $2. Y'all give me $10, I make $20. And right now, Instagram's not taking any percent of the money you make inside of badges if you go live. If you have an Instagram account and you go live often, you're probably gonna be eligible for badges. Go turn badges on right now, because that is a way for you to get double your money, almost on some 401k matching type shit from your job. So Instagram Live, you can make money off of that. And the biggest way you can do this going live is YouTube. YouTube Live fucking pays. That shit pays. Pays. Whether it's super chats, whether it's super stickers, whether it's advertising revenue after the fact, that is forever money that you keep coming in. I'm about to show y'all. So every Thursday or around that time during the week, you'll hear us announce it on Instagram, on YouTube. We do a independent artist Spotify showcase. And right now it's $25 to enter the showcase. The first 5 people that enter, we play your entire song. The next people that enter after that, we play your song for 90 seconds. We give feedback. People like it. It's a great way to get your music out there. Get feedback on your music, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna show y'all right now on December 30th, 2020, my top earning videos for the past 5 months, which essentially is my whole lifetime on YouTube, because I just started posting 5 months ago. So if you go and look right now, my #1 video is why did Lil Wayne sell his masters? Thank y'all for suggesting that video. You can see it's made $1,635.05. So look at my next 5 videos. Of my top 6 videos, 5 of them are independent artist showcases. And this is how much money I've made from each one. $1,300, $840, $828, $742, $736. From people coming in, going live, listen to the music, they pay $25. This is in addition to the advertising revenue that comes off of that. This is in addition to anybody who comes in and pays later. This is what I've pocketed already. So if you go live on YouTube and you do something that makes people want to donate every single week, you find a way to drum up, whether it's a showcase, whether it's you drawing something on a canvas, whether it's you cooking, whatever it is you want to do, and people start donating money, you can really make this happen. On average, you saw I made about $800 per showcase. If you do that once a week for 52 weeks, that's $41,000. $41,600 to be exact. So once you add all that together, the Spotify playlists, the iTunes pre-orders, the going live, you add everything together, we got about $1,400 left to get to $50,000. And the way you can do that is through Instagram badges like I talked about on Going Live. If you go live once a week and turn your Instagram badges on, all you gotta do is make $27 a week and boom, $50,000 in a year. And I know for a lot of y'all like, man, that's hard. I'm not eligible for badges and I'm not part of YouTube partner program and I don't wanna release an album. Excuses. If you wanna look for an excuse, it's always gonna be there. Either you wanna get paid or you don't. It's that simple. This is the stuff that I'm actually doing. This is stuff that I've done. I've made way more than $50,000 off my music. This video was gonna be $100,000, but I wanted to make it a lot more realistic for people. You can actually do this. You can cut some of these out and you can make $25,000 in a year. You can make $10,000 in a year. How many of y'all are gonna get a $10,000 raise from your job this year? You're not. You're not gonna get a $10,000 raise. But you can make $10,000 from your music if you implement some of these strategies, and if you're consistent with it, and if you know your audience and give them value and give them something that they want to pay you for. Don't say I ain't never helped you. Don't say I ain't never done this shit, because I do this shit every fucking week. That's why I preach the same shit over and over again, because it works. So what do y'all think? What other ways can you make $50,000 from the music industry? And I want specifics. I want details. Don't just say shows or selling merch and all the other shit. I want to know, what other ways are y'all making money from your music? You type something good, I'm gonna pin your comment. I might even shout you out in the video. Let me know. If you need help running any of these things, click the link up top on Instagram. Click the link in the box on YouTube. Purchase our packages for 60% off right now. Mouth the pod. Y'all stay true. Say that you ain't